Are you smooching the lizard? You smooching my dirty windows? Ah, cuddles for lizards.
Bye. Buddies. Naughty buddies.
They're ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah. They go quack, quack, quack.
Caca.
They still need smoochies, huh?
Monkeys.
A lizard?
Say bye, puppy.
Baby?
Cuddles. No, Cuddles. Cuddles.
I don't think he wants cuddles, does he?
Cuddles.
Ask him. Or maybe he does. Look, he's coming back.
Yeah.
He wants cuddles.
It's about Cuddles. Come on, come on. And Cuddles. And come on, come on, come on. Happy.
Puppy.
I'm gonna get back.
Mwah. Mwah. Squirrel. No, squirrels don't like cuddles. They don't like smoochies either. Especially because you have all their acorns. Yeah, squirrels eat acorns. Oh. You trying to feed the squirrel? Don't fall.
Bitch.
Cuddle that bird.
Yeah.
Birdies don't like cuddles.
Happy.
They are happy. You want to cuddle the tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tree.
Whoa.
And cuddle tree. Dad.
Yeah, I love to cuddle trees.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh, Cuddles. Come on.
The puppy doesn't want kisses.
No.
No. No cuddles.
No play.
There's another puppy.
No play.
Another puppy. There's so many puppies.
Cuddle.
No cuddles.
No cuddle.
No.
Baby, look, it's your buddy. He came back.
My body.
It is your buddy.
Your body is a little
Yeah.
leaf.
Is he looking for dinner?
Eat the apple sauce.
Sit.
Oh.
Can you shake? You want to shake her? Shake Mama's hand first. Sheldon, sit. Shake.
Oh.
Shake. Sheldon. Oh, you're so stimulated.
Gonna show us.